Moses here from GuitarChimp.com. Today I'm playing a 1978 Gibson EDS 1275 through an orange AD30. And we're going to be checking out the Vick Audio Violet Ram's Head Overdrive Fuzz pedal. It's pretty neat, so let's check it out. I never thought I'd find anything heavier than that double neck, but this pedal absolutely is. The Vick Audio Violet Ram's Head is a recreation of the '73 Big Muff Ram's Head pedal, and it nails it. The simplicity of it is really nice. You've just got volume, tone, and sustain. That's all pretty straightforward. You have a three-way switch here for boost, cut, flat on your mids, so you can really create whatever texture you like. I like the fact that this can be very fuzzy, but you can really get a spectrum of sounds out of it, almost more of a British overdrive sound all the way to just the straight fuzz. At the price that it's at, there's really no reason why anyone would not pick this pedal up. It immediately shot to the top of my list of favorites, and I think it's beautiful. So swing by GuitarChimp.com, pick this up, or anything else that happens to tickle your fancy.
Moses, what are you doing? We have to be there in 15 minutes,
No,
man.
Can you help me carry this, please?
Why do you need help carrying a pedal?
It's the Violet Ram's Head.
It's just so heavy.